And the second trade that we did take was ZAUUSD or gold, AU being the symbol for gold. So we did short at the price of 1799, and similar to Euro JPY, we had this ending diagonal at the end of a strong bullish move. Ending diagonal, price had been moving sideways in there within the channel, and obviously we are at the top of the channel. You can see the reaction of the price from over there. That's one of the factors for the short positions. But another thing you got to consider is the price action. Price action overall is bullish. So you're not looking to be in sales or shorting this position or trading against it for too long, right? You could get caught, all right? But I do have an idea as to what I'm doing, and I've done it many times over, and it has worked out, and at times it didn't work out, but doesn't mean I'm going to stop. Now I'm going to go on. I'd rather be wrong and learn than be right all the time. Okay, so that's 2 hour, but our short position was at 1799, and our stops are at 1809, and our targets are at the price of 1788. So the reward to risk factor is about 1 to 1. So for every $1 that we're risking, we obviously stand to make $1, just a little bit over $1. So $1.20, $1.15. It isn't much, it isn't great, but I've got reasons for that too. I want us to take profits there, because as soon as this price gets to the trend line, it's going to react and rise to the upside again. So I want us to be out of the trade at that place in case the market does that and heads to the upside. So it's always good to be aware of certain things, right? So I'm going to delve down to a much smaller time frame. Have us look at the smaller area. Right, so this is the area that I'm trading. So you could say this is scalping, but it's not scalping because it has just over 100 pips in return. So it isn't essentially scalping. I'm not in and out of the position. This position could actually take hours. It will likely take hours. So it's not scalping. It's a day trade, but it's not scalping. Okay, so we did look at the 2 hour price action. We did see what this area represents. We did see the reaction of the market from that trend line that we had in the ending diagonal. And obviously we are looking for a target at this price. Okay, so let me have you guys see what I'm looking at. Okay, firstly, we've got an impulse to the downside. Impulse. Okay, I had to stop recording there for a bit. Got a call. Anyway, obviously we had the down move to the downside. Over here on the right, we have a good correction, which I believe is complete by now. So the short positions should be good. Okay. Likely have that. We might have one more move to the upside, just about there, before we have a drop to the downside. So we might actually see something like that. And then price will likely head to that target of ours. Okay, so this is actually a very, very quick trade. It's short trade, but we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. So a couple of hours went by. I think about an hour and a half, 2 hours, I'm not sure. I'm not going to calculate that, but the result. So we did take profit at 1789. So that was 100 pips profit that we took, just 10 pips shy of the initial target. And I've also got a reason for taking profits earlier than, also not allowing the trade to take profits automatically and whatever, right? So this trade could essentially climb higher before coming down and whatever. I'm happy with the profits and I'm glad to be out of the trade and I'm glad that it worked out, right? So sometimes the principles do work in your favor and sometimes you do ignore the principles and you pay a price. The price could be a loss or whatever, but make sure you do learn your lessons too. So this one has worked out. We've still got Euro JPY running, but I'm not going to get into that. This video specifically just to highlight what we managed to achieve on this quick gold trade. Quick in a couple of hours, 2 hours is quick enough, but it's not scalping, it's basically day trading, right? So it's 12 minutes to 10, it's not day trading, it's night trading, but it still applies, right? So that counts for the day and we close off here. We're just gonna hold on to Euro JPY and then the rest will resume tomorrow. So I will send another link to the public group, Zoom link. So be sure to join, When I do send the link, it's specifically to do with live day trading like this. So you guys can actually get in the trade beforehand and see what's actually happening, right? So it's way better when we do it together than when I send you guys the trade and you don't even know what I was looking at. All right, I'll keep in touch. Cheers.